Curtain designs can be as simple or as complex as you want them to be. They can be designed to complement your home's style or to create a specific atmosphere. There are a number of different ways to approach curtain design, so make sure to get creative and experiment. There are endless ways to style curtains, and they can be used to create any look you desire. Whether you're in the mood for a modern look or want to recreate a classic look, there are plenty of beautiful curtain design ideas to choose from. Here are the 34 ideas to get you started.